Welcome to Chapter 5, Color-Controlled Motor System with EDU and Teachable Machine. In this chapter, we'll build a smart motor system that uses AI to detect colors and automatically turn a DC motor on or off. Before we start, prepare your EDU board, a USB power and data cable, and a DC motor. All of these are included inside your EDU kit. Now, connect the DC motor to the M1 port on your EDU board. Then, plug in the USB cable to your computer and power it on. Next, download the Teachable Machine project model from the tutorial page. Open it on the Teachable Machine website, train your model, export it, and copy the model link once it's uploaded. Go to the Teachable Microbit website and paste your model link in the box. Your model will load automatically. You can now test it by showing your color cards. You should see the class names below the camera feed. Now, download the MakeCode program from the tutorial page, then download and run it. After that, connect Bluetooth by clicking the top right icon on the Teachable Microbit page. Select your device name and click Pair. Once connected, the EDU will respond to your trained AI model. When blue is detected, the motor turns on, the green LED lights up, and the display shows On. When red is detected, the motor turns off, the red LED lights up, and the display shows Off. You've successfully created the color-controlled motor system using EDU and Teachable Machine. Now you can train more colors, edit the code, and build your own AI-powered motor projects. For more details, step-by-step instructions, and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.